Hey there, it's TZ here with Technological Gadgets, always aiming to bring you the best in tech and make tech work for you. In this channel, we sometimes do videos on how to help you to improve the tech you already own, but most of the time we do tech gear reviews just like this one. So if that's the content you want to see, make sure to drop a like to let me know and subscribe to see more content just like this. Are you looking for a comfortable mouse to use for long periods of time but don't want to spend a lot of money on something like the Logitech MX Master 3? Then this wireless mouse from iMice that costs $10 might be your answer. First, let's take a look at the unboxing experience. It comes in this basic white box with orange text writing iMice 2.4 GHz wireless mouse and the company's orange logo with more text on the side. Opening it up, you get some documentation and the mouse itself in bubble wrap. Taking the bubble wrap off, you can view the mouse in all of its glory. The mouse looks really nice with an all matte black finish with gold text and logo. As for the shape, it is meant to be more ergonomic with a hub more towards the middle and grooves on the side for your ring and pinky finger, with a comfortable slope and this thumb rest here which is texturized for more grip, and boy does it feel comfortable. However, for my larger hands, I do have to do a claw grip which is still comfortable, but I do wish the mouse was slightly bigger to accommodate slightly larger hands like mine. As for the buttons, there are left and right mouse buttons that feel pretty clicky, and this is how they sound. Along with a not so tactile scroll wheel with a decent click, as well as a DPI button to change your DPI on the fly between 800, 1200 and 1600, because this mouse comes with no additional software. On the side, you get two side buttons that do feel pretty clicky but do have a lot of post travel. On the bottom, you have 4 mouse feet in the corners that do feel pretty nice to slide around with. Near the sensor, there is an on and off switch which is cool. Near the back, you can slide it off, which reveals the USB-A 2.4 GHz dongle that can be stored in the mouse, along with a space for a double A battery to power this up, which lasts a long time while not making the mouse feel too heavy. Moving on to sensor performance, this sensor is not that great. It spins out a lot when I'm trying to flick and has a ton of mouse acceleration and lift off, which is not good at all. Overall, the sensor is really poor and I wouldn't recommend it for competitive gaming or any gaming for that matter. As for wireless performance, it does have a bit of latency which I can notice when playing reactive shooters like Valorant, but if you don't, you probably won't notice it and it is good enough for daily use. Overall, this mouse is pretty good for its price, being incredibly comfortable to use for hours on end, as well as being wireless and having an incredible battery life. However, if you are looking for a mouse for gaming, I wouldn't recommend this due to its high latency, lift-off distance and acceleration, and would advise you to use a wired mouse and spend more and buy something like the Razer Dev Adder instead. Anyways, I hope you found this useful so far, and if you did, make sure to drop a like to let me know and subscribe to see more tech content just like this.